Hello everyone and welcome to the fifth video of FY25 Q1 Earnings series. In the previous video, we talked about Infosys earnings and what could possibly happen on the Friday trading session. So like I analyzed, we could see a sharp increase in the share price by around 2%, but what I still feel is it has not done justice to the stellar performance Infosys has come up with. So we could possibly see some good momentum in the coming few trading sessions. Now with Reliance, what we could see is on Friday, so the market was anticipating some negative performance. So Reliance has come down by around 2%, and not just Reliance. On Friday, we could see the overall Sensex, Nifty 50, mid-cap index, small-cap index, everything went down. The reason being, what I feel is ahead of the budget, which is coming on Tuesday, people are just booking their profits because people have made good money in the last few trading sessions. Not just last few trading sessions, I think from the last few months, people have made good money in the stock market. So they're not quite sure what is going to happen in the budget. So they're just booking their profits. Now let's quickly see how Reliance did in this quarter and what could possibly happen on Monday. Now if we have a look at the stock price, so it has gone up by 14.8% from 2,700 the same time last year, and now it's around 3,100. If we see the revenue, so revenue has gone up to 2.36 lakh crores from 2.07 lakh crores, so a growth of 11%, and the streets were also expecting a growth of somewhere around 11%. Reliance had an EBITDA margins of 38,100 crores in FY24, but now it has gone up to 42,748 crores. So there has been a growth of 2%, but the streets were expecting a growth of 4.6%. So some underperformance with EBITDA we can already see. If we look at the profit after tax, so there we can see it has declined by 5.4% from 16,000 crores to 15,138 crores. Now let's look at the verticals. We will just cover the main verticals. So if we talk about Jio Platforms, so which contributes to 13.4% to its gross revenue. Now the profit after tax in Jio Platforms is 5,698 crores in the June quarter. So growing by 11.7% YOY. Jio has become the largest operator globally in terms of data traffic. Now consolidated revenue has increased by 12.8% to rupees 34,548 crore during this quarter. Now the total subscriber base has reached to 48.97 crores, up from 44.85 crores. Jio is now the largest 5G operator outside China. And if we talk about ARPU, which is average revenue per user, so that has gone up to 181.7 per user from 180.5, which was in Q1 FY24. Now here we all know like there has been a price hike with the plans, but the benefit in the quarterly results we can only see from Q2 and Q3. So the expectation is that revenue growth for this ARPU increase will be around 15%, given that we don't see any decline in the number of subscribers. So that will be again interesting to see like what happens in the next 2 quarters. Now let's talk of the retail. So retail is one of the largest vertical in Reliance. So Reliance Retail Ventures has registered a revenue at rupees 75,615 crores during the first quarter, now increasing by 8.1% on YOY basis, and profit is at rupees 2549 crores, which has shown a growth of 4.6%. The segment's EBITDA is at rupees 5,664 crores for the quarter, growing by 10.5% YOY. Reliance said the retail business expanded its store network with 331 new stores opening, taking the total store count to 18,918. Now this company, like we all know, Reliance is amongst the top 25 retail companies in the world. Reliance is aiming to become amongst the top 10 retailers globally. And lastly, let's discuss about oil and gas and O2C segment. Now the oil and gas segment has recorded revenue for the quarter at 6179 crores, which is a 33.4% growth over the corresponding period of last fiscal. The segment's EBITDA has increased by 29.8% to rupees 5210 crore. If we talk of the O2C segment, it contributed nearly 61% to the top line, recording a 18.1% YOY growth, and it has accounted to rupees 1.57 lakh crore for the quarter ending June 30th. Now before moving on to what can happen possibly to the share price on Monday, it's my earnest request, if you found this video insightful, please hit the like button and the coming 2 weeks is going to be very interesting. So I will keep on releasing more such videos. So do hit the subscribe button and stay tuned to the channel. Now, if we talk about the share prices, so on Friday we could already see some decline of around 2% in the Reliance share because the streets were not expecting good results. And like we discussed, the results are also not good. It is even below expectations in few verticals. So possibly we can see a decline also in the Monday's session. But in the longer run, at least I am bullish on Reliance because I trust their leadership. But it's not a stock recommendation. Please consult your financial advisor and make decisions on buying stocks. I hope you have liked this video, so please do subscribe to the channel and do hit the like button if you found this video insightful. Thank you.